Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Unit number 5, Introduction to Programming Languages. In the previous lecture, we have covered the exercise F question number 1. Defining programming languages, describe the basic types of programming languages. Today, we are going to cover exercise F question number 2. What are low-level languages? Discuss the two popular low-level languages. Its answer is on page number 116. As we have already learned about the low-level languages and its type, now we are going to revise it. Low-level languages. Low-level language is a programming language that deals with computers' hardware components. It may also be referred to as computer's native language. Low-level languages are considered to be closer to computers. In other words, their prime function is to operate, manage and manipulate the computing components. Basically, low-level languages are used to write programs that relate to the specific architecture and hardware of a particular type of computer. They are very close to the native language of the computer binary, making them harder for programmers to understand but easier for the computers to read it. This language is also considered to closer to a computer, and low-level language is a type of programming language that contain basic instructions recognized by a computer. Unlike high-level languages used by software developers, low-level code is often cryptic and non-human readable. Programs and applications written in low-level language are directly executable on the computer without any translation. The programs and application which we are written in low-level languages is directly executable or directly readable by the computer, and it needs no translator. The two popular examples of low-level languages are machine language and assembly language. Machine language. Programming language that can be directly understood and obeyed by a computer without translation is called machine language. This language is different for each type of CPU. It is the native binary language comprised of only two characters, zeros and 1 of the computer, and is difficult to be read and understood by humans. Machine language is the first generation language. Basically, machine language or machine code is the lowest level of computer languages. It contains binary code, often generated by compiling high-level source code for a specific processor. Most developers never need to edit or even look at machine code. Only programmers who build software, compilers, and operating systems need to view machine language. Programmers avoid to use these languages. They commonly use more English-like languages called high-level languages, e.g. Basic, COBOL, Java, etc. to write programs which are then translated into machine language by an assembler, compiler and interpreter. Next example of low-level language is assembly language. Assembly language is very close to machine language. The commands are represented in assembly language by short names called mnemonics, pronounced as mnemonics. Programs written in assembly code are translated into machine code by an assembler. Machine code can also be converted back into assembly code using a deassembler. Assembly language is a second generation language. Assembly language is one step closer to the high-level language than machine language. It includes commands such as move, addition, subtraction. These commands perform basic operations such as moving values into memory registers and performing calculations. Assembly language can be converted to the machine language by using an assembler, and it is the second generation language. You have to learn this question. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.